So here we now on the main square of Novi Sad. Like I told you, when Austro-Hungarians defeated finally the Ottoman Empire, they decided to build exclusive city. So the Leopold I is inviting only the wealthiest and the richest people from different communities. They were Catholics, they were Serbians, and also
Jews.
the Jewish, In this city, there was the biggest community of the Jewish people, because in generally through the history, they were always the very rich people, So this is the main street, and they divided, not literally, but they divided the districts for each of the nationalities. In the end of the main street, there was and still is the nice Jewish district.
ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് ധാരാളം.
So this is the second main square. The name is Catholic Doors.
Catholic Doors.
It's because you are entering behind the famous cathedral Saint Maria. And what is very important to say, now you will see amazing roof, which was we have to move towards the fontaine. So actually from here you can see this amazing roof. Anywhere, even in the Europe, you cannot find a roof like this, because it was imported from Italy, and it was made by the famous Italian masters. The name of these masters are the Venice. They are from the Venice, and this is one of the most beautiful roofs, ceramic roofs in the all Europe, In front of two important buildings. On the left side, this is the Royal Bank of Austria. Before, today belongs to the Jewish organization. And on the right side, this beautiful building with the sculptures is the best representative of the Romanic style, and this is the Royal Museum of Austro-Hungarian Royal Museum.
Okay.
Royal Library. This is outside a little bit of the city, but we will go inside closer,
Yeah.
Let's go this way. On the left side. This is a musical high school on the left side, and a Serbian church, Christian church. And now this beautiful building which is just in front of us, this is the royal castle of the queen. So the wife, the queen of the Leopold I, she wanted to have a beautiful building, and she did a copy of the building in Venice on the San Marco Square. So you will see the whole building from the main entrance, you know. And it was recently completely restored to the originals. Actually, the whole city was recently restored, like 7-8 years ago. So it's looking completely original, like from this period, you know.
You're done.
Okay, let's go this way. I want to show you amazing corridor. So most of the houses you saw in the main street and right here, they were belonging to very rich people. Now you can see the simple life of the average people in the city. So they had their businesses in the basic floor, and on the upper floor they lived. It's the same situation even today. You can see like a barber shop, the little shops of the left in the right side. You can see the galleries. So the simple people, they still maintain the same habits as before in the 18th century. And also this city is very known by these corridors, different kind of corridors. Now I'm taking you through another one this way. So in every corridor in Novi Sad, there are the restaurants, coffee shops, you know, different kind of food. The old streets were always before made from the bricks, you know, you can see.
Yeah.
It was just the brick roads, very popular in this time, you know. Even the main street was with the brick roads, but it was of course before. Now we are going back towards the main square.
We can go in this.
Yeah, I mean, you can walk.
This one?
These two buildings are practically ruining the Jewish district, but it was built in the 1960s and 70s, and the Jewish district starts from this building, you know. And you will see also amazing quality and nice buildings in this row, and of course you will see the main Jewish square, and finally the synagogue. This is the Jewish main square,
Hmm.
and now from here we are going straight to the So now you can see this amazing building. It was built by the famous architect born in Budapest, and he was originally a Jewish guy, and he made the most beautiful one synagogue in the Budapest. This is the second one, you know, and practically it is considered as the second beautiful in the Europe, you know. And also it's a huge building, and it's representing the period when the most of the Jewish people were living in this city, you know, and a smaller community in the Belgrade, you know.
Yeah. Actually, the big buildings are ruined the view.
Yeah. Those buildings are practically definitely destroying everything, you know, because that was a one main street, and you could see from the main street you could see this synagogue, you know, easily. But this post office practically totally covering